So hi, in this video I'm going to discuss the problem of Codeforces round 926 TF2. Okay. So this is a B problem of the contest. In the problem we have given that even in kindergarten Sasha likes a girl, okay. Therefore he want to give her a drawing and attract her attention. Oh. And as a drawing he decided to draw a square of grid. So what is he's deciding? He will draw a square of n cross n in which some cells are colored, few are colored, and but the coloring is difficult. This is a condition, right? So he want to color as few cells as possible, but at the same time he wants at least k diagonal to have at least one colored cell. Okay, I look at the problem. What is in the problem is given as we have given a n cross n diagonal, n cross n square grid. This is a given to us, and number of diagonals in that square grid is 4n minus 2. Okay, now when the condition is given as that we need to color at least k diagonals. This is the case, right? And then we need to find minimum number of cells he needs to color. Okay, so he wants ki minimum number of colors box should be colored and at least k diagonals should be colored. So these are two conditions. So if I start with this case 3 and 4, if I come here, so look, we have given 3 and 4, n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. Let me remove this URL. 3 and 4, right? First of all I will draw a 3 cross 3 grid, something like this. Now how many diagonals can be made in this? Number of diagonals is equal to 4 times n minus 2. That 2 comes out to be 4 3 is 12 minus 2 means 10 diagonals I can create in it. 10 diagonals, how can I create? Let me explain. One diagonal, it would be 2, it would be 3, it would be 4 diagonal, it would be 5th diagonal, right? Similarly 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So you can see that I can create 10 diagonals eventually, right? Okay, I did that. Now here I have given k is equal to 4, means I want to color at least k diagonals. Okay, and I know ki each box contain 2 diagonals, right? This will contain 2 diagonal, this will contain 2 diagonal, this will also contain 2 diagonal. Similarly this will, this will and this one as well, means each of them are contain 2 diagonal, right? Now look, I need to color at least 4 diagonal, right? So I can color this whole box and I can color at this whole box, right? If I do that, then I am able to do that, means I am able to color at least k diagonals. Okay, so it's clear till now, right? Suppose it is given to us 6, I need to cover 6, then I will color these diagonals as well, this as well. Let's say okay. So I have covered 6, right? Suppose given to us 7 diagonals, so I need to find one more brick, unique. So I can color this one, means I have colored these 4 till now. Similarly I can color for 8 till now, right? Now once I reach at the last position, means once I reach the n minus diagonal minus, let's say this is equal to d, okay? Number of diagonals is equal to d. Once n k is equal to d, means I am at the last. At the last means what? First of all, why I am considering the last case only? First of all, look, as I can see here, this 1 and 2, if I color this and these 3 boxes, then at the end this is already, these diagonals already colored, right? 1 second, let me explain it again. So this is the color grid, right? Now look, let's say this is the, it is like something. If I color this whole, I have colored, so 2 diagonals are colored, right? One was this one and one was this one. These all are colored, right? Okay, so I am coloring this one as well. So I cannot there is no need to color again because it's already colored. Now I am coloring this. So this one already colored, yani ki if I do color in this box again, it it never gonna benefit me anything, right? So if I do it color again or not color, it won't affect anything. So I, at least I'm not going to get the minimum, so I cannot do this, I cannot color this box. So basically this is the case, right? I need to remove only these boxes. Now I will explain using 2 cross 3 grid. Let's say 2 cross 2 का grid है, and it contain a total of 6 diagonals. So for each, I will tell you the what will be answer. Let's say one diagonal ko I need to color. Let's say two ko. Let's say three ko. Let's say four ko. Let's say five. Or let's say six. So these are the diagonals, right? Suppose I wanna color only one diagonal. So if I color any single box, let's say I will color this. I will color this. So in this case, I need to color only one box. Let's say I wanna color two diagonals. So I have already colored this diagonal and this diagonal. So for this as well, I need to color only single box. That is one. Okay. Suppose I wanna color three diagonals. So if I do one more box colored, I did this. So I total of I need to color two boxes here, right? Suppose I wanna color four diagonals. So one diagonal was this, one diagonal was this, one diagonal was this, and one was this. So total I have colored how many? I have colored two boxes only, right? So till now I can see that my answer would be what? If n is even, then my answer would be n minus 2. If my n was odd, then in that case my answer would be n plus 1 by 2. I simply observing, I am the simply I am observing and doing nothing, right? Now look, if it is given to us 5 diagonals, I need to color 5 diagonal, let's say. So I have already colored this diagonal, right? So I need to color this diagonal in order to get the 5 diagonals. So I have colored, and how many boxes I need to color? I need to 3, right? Now the last case, this is the important case only. The whole problem is based on this case only. Why I'm saying this? Because look, I as I said, if the n is even, my answer would be n by 2, right? But not true for the last case. Why? Because as you can see here, for 6, I need to find how many boxes I need to color, right? I have colored these two diagonals. I have colored these two diagonals. I have colored this diagonal. Five have done already, right? But this diagonal is already colored in this box. I have already colored, so I cannot color it again. So for the sixth diagonal, I need to color the fourth box as well. So for this, my answer would be n by 2 plus 1 only for the when diagonal is equal to k, you can say. So yeah, this is the case only where I need to increase one value. So how can I code this problem? First of all, let me add this to my VS Code. I did code it already. Let me code it again. Okay. So how can I do that? First of all, let's say as stream. Let me put it something here. Let me include a bits library. Bit slash standard. Okay. Now int 3 sin t while t minus minus int n and k, right? I will take input this as now. If if k modulo 2 is equal to 0, first case is this. So let me first of all declare a answer. Let's say int answer equal to 0, right? If k was even, then in that case my answer would be what? K by 2. Else means if my k was odd, in that case my answer would be what? K plus 1 by 2. Okay, I got this. But there is a catch, that was when, if k is equal to what? Diagonal, right? This was the catch, and here I need to increase the value by 1. Yeah. Now I need to declare her diagonal, and the diagonal was what? N times 4 minus 2, I guess. Yeah, maybe. I'll check it again. So yeah, and here I will simply print answer. Let's see if I get the same output or not. Yeah, this is the all that is accepted. I'm not gonna submit it on CF. I have already did that, and it is in system testing, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is how we can do the B problem, and yeah, it was a easy problem for the B, I think.